In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a store on AliExpress. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a product and jump straight to the seller's storefront so you can explore more items from the same seller and learn more about who you're buying from. Start by opening the AliExpress app on your phone or the website in your browser. If you can, log into your account before you begin. Being signed in helps the site display accurate shipping details, prices in your currency, and relevant recommendations. You can still browse without logging in, but signing in makes the process smoother and ensures you see the correct information for your region. Next, use the search bar to look up a product you're interested in. Type a few keywords like wireless earbuds or silicone phone case and press search. You'll see a list of results with images, titles, prices, and ratings. Choose one item that looks promising and open the full product page. It's important to tap into the listing itself, not just glance at the results, because the link to the store lives inside the product page. Once the product page is open, scroll down until you find the seller's details. This is usually presented as the store name, sometimes near the product title or just below the main images. On the app, it may appear as a card labeled store or seller information with the store name and rating. On desktop, you might see a link or a button such as Visit Store near the seller section. If you don't see it immediately, keep scrolling. It's there on every product page. When you spot the store name, tap or click it. That link takes you directly to the seller's store page. Here, you can view the complete catalog from that seller, browse categories they've set up, and see helpful details such as store ratings, feedback, and how long the store has been active. Take a moment to note the overall rating and the number of followers, as these can give you a quick sense of the store's reputation. You'll often find featured products, top sellers, and seasonal collections neatly organized, making it easy to discover related items without starting a new search. That's the whole process. Open AliExpress, log in, search for a product, open the product listing, scroll to the store name, and select it to land on the store's page. Use this approach anytime you find an item you like and want to see more from the same seller, compare styles, or check their reputation before you buy.